What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. We are going to go over Gala games. Currently, we're sitting at 0.072. We're sitting at market cap of 498 million, 24-hour volume 293 million. Let's hop into Gala. So we're here on the 4-hour time frame. We're currently in a descending channel, so we may stay a little bit range bound. If you see a push up to this level of resistance, could be a short back down, and we might do a little bit something like this, bringing us back down to that 5-cent level of support, and we may be looking to create a massive double bottom. If we pop over to this next chart here, we have come all the way down to the 2.272 from the Fibonacci pull from that previous swing low in January. So if we do come back down to the 2, which is coming in about 0.061, we could create a massive double bottom. Just watch for a bullish divergence. Looks like it's going to print on the money flow and maybe on the RSI as well if we come back down to that level. And we may be looking to come all the way back down to about 0.047. Gala has been listed recently, so we don't have a lot of chart to go off of, but you can see a little cluster of support here down at that 0.47 level. With our dollar cost average strategy, equal amounts at each buy zone. Currently, your break even is sitting at about 14 cents. So you're down on your trade just about 48% with the DCA strategy. Very, very simple method of trading. So in the short term, I would just watch this descending channel. We've lost that strong support here coming in at about in between that 8 to 10 cent range. We have currently lost that support. So if we lose this low here, I would expect Gala to slowly make its way down to about 0.047. As you can see, we don't have that much chart to work off of. So if we lose that level of support, we'll have to use our Fibonacci here and take it from this swing low up to that swing high. So if we start to lose 4 cents, you would target the 1.272 at 0.038, the 1.618 at 0.028. So we'll see what happens over the next few days. If you do see a nice push up to this level of resistance, could be a good short opportunity back down. Just watch Bitcoin, of course. Let's see what we can see here on the smaller time frame. We'll zoom into the 30-minute for Gala games and see if we can see any divergence. Yeah, so we have a bullish divergence here on the 30-minute time frame. As you can see here, we created a lower low while creating a higher low. So Gala may be looking to push back up to one of these levels of resistance before rolling over once again, and then you can enter that short position back down to this level of support, as we may just stay range bound in this descending triangle. So you would long at the bottom and you would short at the top for our friend Gala games. And this descending triangle brings you back down to that level of support, possibly create that double bottom at 0.054 for Gala. I think that's basically it, just short and sweet for this one. We'll see if we create that double bottom, if we make our way back down to 0.047. If we lose that low, then we would start targeting those Fibonacci extension levels. We'll show them once again here. The 1.618 as well as the 1.272 coming in at 0.040 and the 1.618 coming in at 0.030. If BTC does go down to 22K, that's when you're going to see Gala come down to those price targets. So big shout out to the Discord where we have over 1,900 members, posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. You really can't beat it. You can gain access at the $3.50 membership. At the $10 membership, you can have my exact entries, exits, take profits, and stop losses under the trade signals. And we also have the DCA trade strategy, very simple method of trading with the live dollar cost average charts, and buy and take profit zones if you want to start dollar cost averaging into your altcoin positions. That is it for this one. If you want to trade with me, make sure to sign up to Bybit, and I'll see you in the next video. All right, much love. Take care.